How to put Snapstreak as story. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Here we go. Your camera will open up. Now at the bottom left you will find this chat icon. Click on it. With that you will land to the chat section. Now open the conversation with the person whose Snapstreak you want to upload in your story. Just open the conversation. Now head towards the profile of that person. Once you head towards the profile of that person, you will be able to find the streak number. Now scroll down. Now over here you'll find this section of charms. Under this you will find the option of streak. You have to click on it. Now take this screenshot. Your Snapstreaks are accounts of how many days in a row you have sent a snap to someone and they have sent a snap back. You both have to send and receive at least one snap within 24 hours for it to count. You will have to keep your streak alive for at least 3 days before you will notice anything happen. So once you take a screenshot, you can head back, go to the chat section. Now open your camera. Now click on this icon given over here. With that, your gallery will open up. Now select the picture that you have taken the screenshot of. Once you open the picture, at the bottom right, you will see the option of send to. Click on it. Now from here, you can easily upload this Snapstreak picture to your story. Check in for the option My Story and upload it. Now you can head back to your profile and check. So you can see that I have put Snapstreak as story with one of my friend in my Snapchat account. By applying the same process, you can put Snapstreak as story with other friends as well. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily put Snapstreak as story. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.